TT Eiken number 4. If you're using a textbook to prepare for Eiken, make sure you use the lesson vocabulary and phrases in sentences, like so. I'm disappointed with his decision. I'm surprised at the news. Tino's known as TT. I'm satisfied with his decision. I'm amazed at his test score. He's known to forget people's names. The weather wasn't too bad, to be honest. Her singing is terrible, to be frank. I'm not really a morning person, so to speak. It's difficult for me to get up early. To be sure, life goes on. I'll arrive at 5:30 p.m. to be exact. It was really difficult to stay awake during her speech, to tell you the truth. Needless to say, she didn't pass the test because she didn't study enough. To begin with, you don't study enough. That's why you didn't pass the exam. Make sentences